Right here I got some oregano, and I'm going to be harvesting some and then drying it to use as an herb. So come on with me and we'll do this together. All right, so all I'm doing here is I'm just grabbing some and I am cutting off each twig here. We'll set this aside. And you can see I've got some yellowing going on up here. And that's because the temperatures are absolutely astronomical here. It's been over 100 degrees, so it's time to start harvesting this. All right, we got quite a few here. Go ahead and harvest this, take this into the shade, and we'll string this up. All right, had to get out of that heat, it's so hot. So I'm just kind of pulling these apart here, organizing them, sorting them out, pulling off any leaves that look really damaged or anything. I'll keep the short ones over here. Right, now we need a piece of string, and we're gonna tear off a little bit of the bottom section so there's no leaves at the bottom of each one of these, like so. Now that we got all the ends together, we're just gonna wrap this around quite a few times. This is jute fiber, by the way. Oop. Pulled that a little too tight. There we go. Alright, so now we can hang this just like that in a dry spot, which I'm going to actually hang right inside my house and let this dry. And then once this dries, then we can then strip off the leaves and put them in a little grinder and turn it into dried oregano. And there we go. Pretty simple and easy. All the rest of this is going to be given to my chickens. All right, let's get this fed to the chickens. And so that's going to hang for a couple weeks until it's completely dry. It doesn't take too long at all, but it is really healthy for chickens, by the way. Our little babies.